Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to Miss Natasha Putri and fellow friend. Today, in this class, our group are doing a presentation about for consumer action. My name is Raji Muhammad Arzaman, Diraja Azmi. My matric number is 199762. Okay, can I ask you, do you know about consumer action in consumer protection? We, as a consumer, have an action to do for protection. Okay, we have 4 points for consumer action: solidarity, critical awareness, social responsibility, and ecological responsibility. For me, I intro the solidarity. Means of solidarity: united or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest. The acts are taken to protect our consumer. As a consumer must act together throughout the formation of consumer group, which have the strength and influence to promote consumer interest. The most effective way in solving problems are action voluntarily as a solidarity. The success of consumer movement depend on the number and strength of its group member. We can see a symbol of hand and people. It means solidarity. Uh, Example: the consumer must act together throughout the formation of consumer to protect the consumer. That's for solidarity point. Next, I give to Rahman for explanation point 3, point 2 and point 3 in consumer action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good afternoon. I bid to Miss Natasha Putri and fellow friends. Okay, alright. So, today I want to continue with our presentation. Okay, so my second point is critical awareness. Consumers must be alert and questioning about the goods and services they use. Consumer awareness and perception to food safety hazards in Trinidad, West Indies. Little is known on consumer perception and awareness to food safety in Trinidad, West Indies. A survey was conducted on 121 consumers who handle meat on food safety, knowledge and handling practices at homes. Next, express their views and dissatisfaction. Use proper channel, and the best option is through consumer movement, communication and collaboration between consumers, industry and government. So my third point is the social responsibility. Consumers should act responsibility to minimize the impact of their behavior on the community as well as on fellow citizens, implying on obligation maintaining a sense of responsibility and attention to how their buying and decisions and consumption behaviors might impact fellow consumers, citizens, and business. Next, for example, research shows that consumers are aware of the social impacts of their actions and are willing to reward socially responsible business who hire staff with disabilities. Next, critical appraisal. Consumers Customers frequently raise their individual and collective concern about the quality of product and services. The customers also exercise their social responsibility and reward business showing responsibility behavior through favorable purchase decision. So that's all from me. Now we continue with my friend Cheng.
Thank you very much, Rahman and Rajan. I'm Tang Chin Qing and my meeting number is 196284. And I will present the last point of the consumer action, that is ecological responsibility. So you guys see the slide, you can see there are 2 points to support my opinion. The point, the ecological responsibility. First I tell the meaning. First, the ecological responsibility is mean that the consumer, everything their consumption need to conserve with the environment. So it means that the consumer, when the consumer need to prepare Swiss products for ecological reason, or stop buying product that cause pollution to the environment. So when the consumer choose ecological products when they do shopping, not only because it is a healthy option, but also because it helps to sustain the environment for future generation. So the consumer need to change their consumption, their lifestyle in their life. For example, the consumer nowadays have changed their consumption lifestyle when they're shopping. They change their behavior use from plastic bag to eco bag. And for the second supporting point is, you see that a consumer need to be aware of the need to make more responsible purchases, because everything we purchase is linked to the environment. So the consumer nowadays need to aware that environmental is not only the task of firms and institutions, but also their responsibility and consumptions. So the consumer, when the consumer consumption, the consumer need to buy more environmental friendly product and buy less the product can cause pollution to the environment. For the example, when you buy the freezer, you can choose the safe energy freezer, like the freezer have 5 star. And for another product, you can choose the product safe energy, because nowadays the first have many produce the safe energy product. So consumer need to buy more product like this. And in conclusion, we have explained that the 4 consumer action that can take by the consumer in the consumer protection. First is solidarity, 2 is critical awareness, 3 is social responsibility, and 4 is ecological responsibility. So, no any question for you guys? So, that is from us. And any word we come out and make you guys unhappy and something, so we say sorry, and that's from us. Thank you.